This is the new and improved car. Yeah, that's right. It's like a pitchfork. It's like one of those things off Star Wars. With the curly horns. But only more deadly. That's my leg. Fun. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! No.
Oh shit. Holy shit.
I think it's snapped. Oh shit, it has as well. It snapped off into your leg.
Oh, I'll say.
Oh my god.
I mean, look at that.
Snapped off.
I'll say. There was 5 on there before. Hang on, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 5 on there before. Bastard snapped. And I'm bleeding. Hold the camera up. And I'll pull it out. Oh, is that it? Oh! Fuck. Ah.